अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है, इस वीडियो का टॉपिक का नाम है सेलुलर एग्रीकल्चर। Cellular agriculture focuses on the production of agriculture products from cell cultures using a combination of biotechnology, tissue engineering, molecular biology, and synthetic biology to create a design new method of producing proteins, fats, and tissues that would otherwise come from traditional agriculture. Most of the industry are focused on animal products such as meat, milk, and egg produced in cell culture rather than raising and slaughtering farm livestock, which is associated with substantial global problem of detrimental environment impact of meat productions, animal welfare, food security, and human health. Cellular agriculture is a field of the bio-based economy. The most well-known cellular agriculture concept in cultural the bioeconomy have largely been associated with vision of green growth. A study found that a cellular bioeconomy may be necessary to build a carbon neutral future in line with the climate objectives of the Paris Agreement. However, some are concerned that with the focus on reliance on technological progress, a fundamentally unsustainable socio-economic model might be maintained rather than be changed. Some are concerned that may not lead to a ecologization of the economy but to an of the biological the living and caution that potential of non-bio-based techniques to achieve greater sustainability need to be considered. A study found that as 2019 current EU interpretations of the bioeconomy is diametrically opposite to the original narrative for Baronoff, and that told us that expanding the share of activities based on renewable resources in the economy would slow down economic growth and set strict limit on the overall expansion of the economy. Furthermore, some question that Silicon Valley and food corporations could use bioeconomy technologies for greenwashing and monopoly concentrations. The bioeconomy, its potential disruptive new modes of production and innovation may distract from the need for systematic structural socio-economic change and provide a false illusion of techno-capitalist. Many farmers depend on conventional method of producing crops, and many of them lives in depending economics. Cellular agriculture for products such as synthetic coffee could, if the contemporary socio-economic context, the socio-economic system mechanisms such as incentives and resources distributions mechanism like markets remains unaltered in nature. Purposes, scopes, limits, and degrees their employment and livelihood as well as the respective nation's economy and social stability. A study concluded that given the expertise required and the high investment cost of the innovations, it seems unlikely that culture might immediately benefit the poor in de- developing countries, and emphasized that animal agriculture is often essential for the subsistence for farmers in poor countries. However, not only developing countries may be affected.